If you love trying out new flavors, then you are in for a treat because today we are diving into the world of Hausa Massa, a crispy on the outside and soft on the inside rice cake that's a beloved street food in northern Nigeria, Bauchi to be precise, hence the popular name Massa Bauchi. Massa is also called waina and is made from a fermented rice batter, and it pairs with spicy pepper sauce, suya or even honey. Guess what? You don't have to travel to the north to enjoy this delicacy. You can have it right in your kitchen with just a few simple ingredients and a special masa pan. And in today's recipe, we will be doing masa with a twist. Yes, we will be doing masa stuffed with some liver sauce. So let's get started. Hello kitchen lovers and welcome to my kitchen my ways. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're super welcome. Do well to subscribe, share and like. Turn on the bell icon so you get notified when next I post a video such as this. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for always stopping by. Now to the business of the day. Let's make some masa. So here I have my washed white rice, not the parboiled one. Washed and grounded it. I have already cooked 1 cup of the rice and allowed it to cool down. So I now go in with the cooked rice into the grounded white rice. Went in with some sugar, some yeast, baking powder, and some salt. I mix it very well. Make sure it's properly combined with no lumps. Like so. Make sure to break every lump from the cooked rice and cover and allow it to ferment. You can leave it overnight for 3 to 4 hours. Now let's make this mix. In a clean pot I go in with some oil, saute some onions, went in with sliced tomatoes, some pepper mix. For some time, I went in with some chopped potatoes, some seasoning cubes, spices, mix, some salt to taste, mix very well. Adding some little water, enough to cook the potatoes, and cover to cook. For some minutes, I open the stir and then go in with my green beans. And then I went in with my already cooked and chopped liver. Mix. Like so. Look at how gorgeous this filling is looking. Cover and allow it to simmer for some few minutes, and then our masa filling is ready. Now I put my masa pan, special masa pan on fire, then put in oil in each of the holes, like so. Allow it to heat for some time, and I went in with the masa batter, just half fill the holes with it, like so. So as to make space for the fillings. Now went in with the fillings like this. Again, I topped up with some of the masa batter to cover the fillings like this. And allow it to cook for some time, after which I flipped to the other side for it to get cooked too. Now this batch is ready. You remove and repeat the process until you exhaust the whole masa batter. Like this. I filled the holes, go in with the fillings, and then top it up with the masa batter. Keep doing so until you are done with all the masa batter. There you have it. Our masa is ready to be enjoyed with any pairing of your choice. It could be yaji, sauce, suya, or even honey. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to share. Most importantly, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and come back to watch some more on this channel.